Welcome back to AudioTrends TV. Today we've got the Bose Soundlink Revolve and the Revolve Plus Mark II. Now you may be thinking, what's going on here? These look exactly the same as the old ones. They do look the same, but there are differences on the inside. The smaller one has an extra hour of battery life and also an IP55 water resistance rating. And the larger one is boasting an incredible 17 hours of battery life. Today we're going to open them up and test them out so we can work out which one is the one for you. Let's get straight into it. So just like that, we've got them unboxed and out of the package. Let's get straight into that sound test. So for the sound test, we are going to stream the music directly from my phone to the speaker using Bluetooth, and the audio will be recorded using Sennheiser mics. So it's a pretty good listening experience for YouTube, almost the best you could get. Now first, let's start with the Soundlink Revolve. So there you go. I'm sure you could probably tell that one of these did sound a fair bit better than the other. To me, that was obviously the Soundlink Revolve Plus, but it's for good reason. It's got a larger driver which leads to more detailed sound and an increased bass response. In saying that, there is a caveat, and that's the size of the speaker. It's a lot bigger than the Soundlink Revolve, so it really comes down to what your priorities are. Now, the Soundlink Revolve is an excellent speaker. It's so portable, it literally fits in your hand. It could go in any backpack, any bag. It's just perfect for camping trips, going to school, campuses, picnics, so many things you could use it for, and it's just an awesome speaker. It's really well designed. I love the aluminium body. It feels really high quality and refined. Now, if you would like to get either of these speakers for yourself, you can head to our website, which is audiotrends.com.au. We've always got a good price and a good deal. Now, if you've got any questions, you can actually give us a call. Our number is 039874 8233. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like down below. It really shows me what sort of video you like, and then I can make more similar to this one. Thank you for watching AudioTrends TV, and I'll see you again very soon.